If you've ever read the label on a typical deodorant stick, you've probably seen a list of ingredients that looks more like a chemistry experiment than something you'd want on your skin. Aluminum, parabens, synthetic fragrances, and other stuff you probably can't pronounce. Here's the thing, your armpits absorb what you put on them, so if you're applying something daily, it better be clean. That's why natural deodorant is blowing up, and why making your own might be one of the simplest health upgrades you can do today. Let's talk benefits real quick. First, you avoid harmful chemicals. Aluminum is used in antiperspirants to block sweat glands, but it's been linked to potential health concerns, everything from skin irritation to more serious debates around long-term exposure. While the science is still evolving, many people prefer to play it safe. Second, you allow your body to sweat naturally. Sweating is a natural detox function. Blocking it can mess with your body's ability to regulate temperature and eliminate toxins. A good natural deodorant won't stop sweat, but it will neutralize odor. Third, it's customizable. Want it extra strong? Add more baking soda. Sensitive skin? Skip it or use arrowroot instead. Prefer lavender over tea tree? You do you. The point is, it's yours. And finally, you save money and reduce waste. One batch can last months and you're reusing the same container. No more throwing away plastic sticks every few weeks. All right, let's make it. You only need a handful of ingredients. Here's the simple base recipe. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder or cornstarch. Optional, 10 to 15 drops of essential oil for scent. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Melt the coconut oil and shea butter. Use a double boiler or a glass bowl over simmering water. Low heat, don't rush it. Once it's fully melted, remove it from heat. Stir in your dry ingredients, baking soda and arrowroot powder. Mix until smooth and creamy, no lumps. Now add your essential oils, some good options: lavender for calming, tea tree for antibacterial power, or peppermint if you want that fresh tingle. Pour the mixture into a clean jar or an old deodorant stick. Let it cool and solidify. You can pop it in the fridge to speed things up. To use, just scoop out a pea-sized amount and rub it into your underarms. A little goes a long way. Couple quick tips. If you have sensitive skin, try cutting the baking soda in half or skipping it entirely. It can be irritating for some people. If it's too soft in the summer, add a bit more arrowroot or even a teaspoon of beeswax. If it's too hard, add a bit more coconut oil. And yes, there might be a short adjustment period when switching from conventional deodorants. You might feel like you're sweating more or smelling different for a week or two. That's normal. Your body's detoxing. Stick with it. It's worth it. That's it. You just made your own natural deodorant. It works, it's clean, it's cheap, and you're not rubbing lab junk into your skin every day. Try it out, tweak it to your liking, and let me know how it works for you. Here are a few extra pro tips to get the most out of your natural deodorant. First, apply it to clean, dry skin. It works best right after a shower. Second, if you ever notice buildup or clogged pores, try doing an occasional armpit detox with bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. It helps clear out residue from conventional products. And third, give it time. Your body might need a week or two to adjust, especially if you've been using antiperspirants for years. Don't panic if you sweat a little more at first. That's just your body getting back to normal. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this deodorant recipe helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips and DIYs. If you give this one a try, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you, or if you made any tweaks. Until next time, stay fresh and stay natural.